Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Persian style macaroni. You might think it's too much food on the table, but it's not for one eating. Later I will show you my homemade burger too. For this food we will need 300 gram minced beef, 450 gram of pasta, any type of you like. As you can see here, I used whole grain penne pasta, 1 medium onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 large red pepper, 1 cup tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, few pieces of small tomato, 2 small potatoes, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, salt, pepper to taste, vegetable oil and water. First we need to prepare the vegetables. Chop the onion into small pieces. Grate the garlic. You can adjust the garlic cloves up to 3 pieces if you are a big fan of garlic. Now you can cut the small tomatoes in half. Dice the red paprika. Make sure it's not too small pieces. And at the end, slice the potato in round shape. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil and saute the onion till it's golden. Now we add garlic and fry it for another minute so the garlic won't burn. Then you can add the meat and fry it about 8-10 minutes until it's not pink anymore. Now you can add salt, turmeric, pepper, mix it well and fry it for another 5 minutes. Add tomato sauce and 2 cups of water and cook it until the tomato is softened. Add paprika, oregano, chili powder, tomato paste, and also you can adjust the water if it's needed. Stir it and cover it with a lid. Cook it for another 20 minutes. At the same time, you boil some water with salt and oil. Cook the pasta about 10-12 minutes. Make sure it's not too soft because we will cook it for another 40 minutes. After 12 minutes, rinse pasta with cold water. Taste the meat and add extra seasoning if it's needed. When the meat is ready, add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pot. Lay the potato slices at the bottom, then pasta and the sauce. Don't forget to add salt between the layers. Add oil to the top of it, bring it to steam on high temperature. Then cover the lid in kitchen towel, lower your heat and cook it for 40 minutes. If you like my video and wish for more, please don't forget to like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.